What's good, fam? Long time no see. It's March 28th. It's a Thursday, and I'm currently on spring break. To be honest, this year's spring break it's pretty laid back. It's chill. Not that many events going on. To be honest, these past few days, we've just been, hanging out with family and cooking and emails, sending out emails and whatnot. So it's kind of like a blessing in disguise because while I'm in school, it can feel so hectic. There's so much going on, and then now that I'm on spring break, I'm just here, and that's cool. The last time I did a spring break vlog was about 3 years ago. I was a junior in high school, and literally last night I was thinking about it, and I was like, we should definitely do an update. It's been a hot minute since I've done a vlog. So I'm here to document the rest of my spring break. I only have a week. Let's just make the best out of it. Let's document whatever we do, and I hope you all enjoy. I want to do a really quick haul of some of the pickups that I got. One of the last videos I did on this channel was my Korean skincare routine, and there have been a lot of products that have already run out. So I just went out to pick up a couple things that I need. The first one I haven't used yet because I'm still trying to finish all my sunscreen products, but this is the Daily UV Defense Sunscreen SPF 36 by Innisfree. I heard a lot of good things about this. This is a Korean sunscreen and there's no white cast, so I'm kind of excited to try it. Alright, the next two are lip products. My lips have been so dry, and that's always just been a thing for me. I've always had like really just dry lips. Like, as a quick remedy for my dry lips, I've always gotten used to just licking my lips, but you better stop! I've really just been trying to look for like lip products. I've used like Aquaphor and Vaseline and then coconut oil that I use. But I don't know, I just wanted to try some new stuff. So, alright, first, I saw this on TikTok. It's called Biossance Squalene Rose Vegan Lip Balm. I tried it on yesterday, and man, lips were giving, bro. I also got this one recently. This is the Fenty Luxe Balm Ultra Hydrating Cherry Lip Balm. And so far, I really like these two products. I don't just want my lips to look like very, moisturized and soft, but I also want it to feel hydrated throughout the whole day. And really, these ones are doing me really good, and that's dope. Hi, today's the next day. It's currently 4:20. I'm currently packing for our family's weekend getaway, and I haven't packed yet, and we're leaving in 20 minutes, so let me go do that right now. So I'm supposed to pack 2 days worth of clothes. I'm packing 5 days worth of clothes. Oh! Guys, don't laugh at me. You never know. You never know. Really, the clothes that I'm packing, because it's spring, I wanted to bring some shorts, some pants, some different layers. Hopefully this weekend, I really do hope it's warm, but if not, because we live in Colorado, then we'll just have to do what we have to do. I don't even know where's the other pair. I also got this recently. This is a vintage Carhartt hoodie. I'm really excited to wear it. For shoes, I'm gonna bring my Aguila Lows from Abacada, and I'm also gonna bring my Adidas Sambas. We're literally having a staycation for 2 days, and I'm packing as though I'm going on a whole week to like Paris or something. Happy April, it's the first of the month. I have a couple assignments that I'm not gonna lie, I am doing last minute. I just really wanted to use a spring break to have fun and to not think about school or business, just to spend time with family, with God, with myself. So now we're just really getting back into the rhythm. Before spring break, I took my state's nursing exam. It's like a skills test to become a nurse aide. Thank God I passed, but that whole week before spring break, I was just so focused on, number one, school and just studying for the exam that I just couldn't wait any longer. And so by the time spring break came, I hadn't touched any of my schoolwork since. I only have 2 assignments that I need to get done, so not too bad, but that's just gonna be our Monday for the rest of the day. My professor is a real one for this. Homie put 3 extra credit questions on our assignment. That's amazing. He's a real one for that. Alright, so I got my banh mi's from Lee's Sandwiches. I've been craving some banh mi's lately. And okay, here's the thing. I was gonna do like a whole mukbang, but looking at the time, it's giving I'm gonna be late for class. I was just even thinking like, should I not go to class today, you know? But no, we gotta go. So I don't know, we'll see if I can do a mukbang, if I can squeeze in a mukbang today. Good fam, it's Friday and I'm currently heading to my homie's house. We're gonna chill for a bit. Yesterday I was able to hang with one of my friends. You guys know India. We went thrifting. Usually I go thrifting at like the Goodwill or the Ark, but for the first time we went to, I think it's like the American Red Cross. Oh my gosh, man, like they got some real good stuff at the American Red Cross. Let me go ahead and keep, no, I'm playing.
But you taking me in the middle.
Okay.
Shut
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.